like 2 days later, I got
Right. Hey mga kabanaybay, this is Bones again, and on this content I will be interviewing my friend here from Scotland, and his name is Colin Carrigan McBlain. So I will be asking him about those about the working holiday visa, and he said that there's two kind of working holiday visa, and he is now holding the 417.
Yeah.
So I will be asking him about his working holiday visa. So we will be focusing on his visa, which is the 417, and we will just give you some brief things about the 416, 417, and the other one is
462. I think.
462.
462.
Yeah. So yeah. Would you be able to introduce yourself first?
Yeah. My name's Colin. I'm from Glasgow. 20 years old. Been in Australia now for 4 months. Been running this farm for 3 months. My last days are a couple of days now. Yeah, that's just me.
He's working with me on the farm, and we've been working for
3 months now.
3 months.
Yeah, pretty much. Yeah.
Yeah. So yeah, he's been my colleague since November, I think.
November.
Yeah.
End of November.
Yeah. So the second question is, what type of visa you have, and what are the requirements that you get that you present?
Yeah. So the visa I'm on is a 417. Basically, you can you can work in construction. Well, you can work anywhere in Australia on the 417 visa. Except from like childcare and things like that, you can't really do anything like that. So you can go to like construction, farming, mining, you can do fishing. It's actually very easy to get. You know, depends what country you're from, but from Scotland, you just you just go online and you just fill out a few forms, pay the money, and you just get accepted or you get declined. Depends. So you need a clean record, criminal record, health checks, and just kind of things like that. You need to pass all these certain checks. You need a certain amount of money so that you can sustain yourself when you get over here, and then you need a return flight booked. Well, sometimes you only need the money to prove you can pay for the flight home.
Yeah.
And that's another requirement. So you don't actually need the flight, you just need the money to prove you can fly home.
You can fly.
If anything happens, yeah. So that's another one of the requirements. So you need 5,000 AUD
5,000 AUD
in your bank. So it's for back home, that's about £2,600.
Yeah.
You need that before you can get over here. Just 5,000 is enough to sustain yourself for a while over here.
Yeah, and just to prove that you can fly home.
Yeah, that's it. Yeah, that's it, exactly. Yeah.
So that is his visa and the requirements that he had presented to the immigration so that his visa will be
exactly.
approved. So next question is, with working holiday visa you have, how long can you stay here in Australia, and can you extend the length of your stay?
Yeah, so for the 417 you get 1 year. So from the date that you enter the country, so it's not the day from you apply, it's the day you enter, you have exactly 1 year. So to extend the visa you have to do 3 months regional work, which is farm work, construction, mining, or the fishing. So once you complete 88 days, so which is 3 months, you can apply. So you're not even guaranteed that you can apply for your next year. So mine's in September, so when September comes, I can reapply for my next visa, pay the fee or whatever it is again, and if I get accepted, I get to stay for another year.
Yeah.
And then for your third year, so if I want to stay for another year, during the second year, you have to do 6 months regional work. 6 months, yeah. So you have to work for full 6 months, and then you can again apply for your third year.
Okay.
And then after that, I think you need to get residency to stay longer.
You can get residency after the third.
Yeah, that's when you have to apply for it to stay longer. Yeah.
So, according to him, he can extend his visa for another year. He just have to work on a farming, mainland fishing.
Yeah, that's it. But it has to be regional,
mining.
so it can't be in Sydney or Melbourne or.
Yeah.
You know, it has to be regional work.
It has to be in regional work.
Yeah.
And on his second year, if he wants to extend his visa on the third year, he has to work for 6 months.
6 months during the second year.
During the second year.
Yeah.
During the second
So
year.
these 3 months now don't count for my third year.
Third year.
It's only for my second year.
Yeah. So you have to do it on
So
the
you
second
start
year.
again 6 months. Yeah.
And then, if he finish his third year, he can apply for residency.
Yeah, so yeah, that's a lot of money. That.
Yeah, that's a lot of money, but
Yeah, that's what you can.
at least you have the chance to.
Yeah, that's it, exactly.
Yeah. All right, and so after that, we will have the next question. And what are the jobs that you can apply for with your visa?
So like I said, so you can actually apply for any job. Like there's no specific job that you need to do. So you can go work in a bar, you can work, you know, if you had any qualification back home like carpentry or electrician, you could go into that sort of role. It doesn't have to be something specific. So the visa does allow you to work anywhere. But again, for your extended visa, you have to do the regional work for 3 months. So now that I've completed this work, and I could leave here and I could go work in a bar, in a restaurant, or I could work, you know, taxi company, I could work anywhere I want, just to make a bit more money now.
Yeah.
And you could also work in the city, so you could work in the CBD, so you could work in Melbourne, you could work in Sydney or, you know, Cairns or wherever you want. And it's just making money now, because now that I've completed the 88 days, I can just work for money instead of working for the visa.
The visa,
yes. Yeah, so with the visa you can literally work whatever you want.
Yep.
Just as long as if you have the qualifications and you know, you're a hard worker or whatever. You know.
Yeah. Just like what you're doing.
Yeah, that's it.
I've had some hard work and then.
Yeah.
Exactly.
Yeah.
And for the last questions, it's not questions. The last question. Can you share some of your stories during your stay here in Australia?
Australia so far? Yeah, I suppose. So when I first arrived, I flew into my cousins in Sydney.
Yeah.
And then I flew up. I got a job within 4 or 5 days. So the way to get jobs, the easiest way for backpackers is on Facebook. You know, there's all these different pages like, you know, Australian backpackers 2020, whatever. So I've joined about 5 or 6 different pages on Facebook, and every day there's always farmers or always companies putting up posts of applications or whatever. So I've just been applying ever since I got here. I got a job within 5 days on a farm in St George, which is up in Queensland.
Yep.
I worked there for about 3 weeks driving forklifts, but that place didn't really go well. You know, we were promised good hours and this and that, and they didn't like give us what we were promised. So I just said, I'm just gonna leave. You know, I don't need that. So I just left there. I headed over to Brisbane. I stayed in Brisbane for 5 or 6 days again. And whilst the whole time in Brisbane, I was just looking for a car. So again, Facebook pages for the cars. That's where I got my car. Just all these pages that people selling their old cars from backpackers. Found the car, bought the car, and then I think 2 days later I got the application for here.
Yes.
So Lauren messaged me here, asked me what, you know, gave me some questions like, you know, if I've ever done any of this kind of work before, which I haven't. So this is the first time I've ever worked on a farm. The first time I've ever been near a cow. You know, never done anything like it. But it's something. Once you know what you're doing, after 3 or 4 days, you pick it up quite quickly. It's, you know, quite easy work. You know, it's long hours, but early mornings. But you know, it's good work.
It's a good work.
Yeah, it's very fun. Yeah, I wanted to do this. I wanted to work with animals when I came over here, because I've never something I've really had a chance to do back home. Yeah. And you know, I've seen on Facebook there's all different of these. A lot of them were farm jobs, dairy farm or whatever. So something I wanted to look into, and I got lucky. I got the chance to come here. Come to this farm. It was excellent. So I just drove from Brisbane, 3-day drive down.
Oh, good.
Got here. Yeah, long drive. Got here, and then that was it. Just started working for 3 months now.
Yes. And you know what, guys? When he arrived here, he has no experience at all, and then we just teach him
Mm-hmm.
how to do the farm work, and then after maybe 2-3 weeks,
Yeah.
he can do
I was just doing it
everything.
myself.
He can do some things, and then after those weeks, we teach him again and again, and then he can do everything now.
Yep,
Right.
that's it, yeah.
Yeah, farm jobs is hard work, physical, but
Yeah, very physical, yeah.
very physical,
Yeah.
but it's fun.
Yeah, very fun.
Very
Yeah,
fun,
agree.
right?
Yeah.
He's agreeing with me.
Yeah, it really is, yeah.
Yeah. So guys, mga kabalaybay, so that's it for now. That's that is the content of my stories now, and for this interview, we have learned some things from the working holiday visa that the Australian government is giving for those people who wanted to come over here with this kind of visa. So according to Colin, there's two kind of visas for working holiday visa. That's the 462 and the 417.
Yeah, that's it, yeah.
Yeah. So guys, see you again on my next video. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment on my YouTube channel, Bongs. And this is Colin again, saying goodbye again. Goodbye guys, and see you again on my next content.
Yeah.
Bye. Thank you.
Sweet.
See it?